Welcome back, guys. Today we're diving into some of the best Amazon kitchen gadgets perfect for your busy schedules. From multifunctional choppers to efficient cooking appliances, these tools are designed to streamline your meal prep and make cooking a breeze. All the product links are mentioned in the description below, so without further ado, let's get started. Whip up fresh, delicious donuts in just minutes with this mini donut maker. It's easy to use, and even kids can join in the fun. Choose from different batters like cake mix or brownie mix to make up to 7 donuts at a time. Perfect for families or anyone with a busy schedule, this gadget is a must-have for quick and tasty treats. This air fryer is great for your health since it does not use oil to fry your favorite snacks. You can use its 4 cooking modes, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate to prepare delicious meals. Plus, it is big enough to cook for the whole family at once. This glass popcorn machine makes preparing a quick, healthy snack super easy. You can pop your kernels without needing oil or butter, and the dual-function lid helps melt butter if you want that gourmet touch. The glass design is durable, BPA-free, and dishwasher-safe, making it a reliable and easy-to-clean option for any kitchen. Meet your new meal preparation helper, the Freezer Food Block Maker. This handy tool holds quart-sized bags, making it easy to fill with leftovers or soup without any mess. It creates compact, thin blocks of frozen food, saving space in your freezer and ensuring quicker defrosting. Store your favorite drinks stylishly and conveniently with this drink holder. It accommodates both glass bottles and soda cans. When you take out a drink, another is automatically pushed to the front for easy access. The Mug Ice Cream Maker lets you whip up single servings of ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or frozen yogurt in just 20 minutes. All accessories stored neatly inside the mug. If you love keeping your food fresh for longer, check out this vacuum sealing machine. It features 5 sealing temperatures to suit various foods from meats to nuts. This vacuum sealing machine makes food storage easy. You can seal your food in just 10 to 20 seconds, and its 32-centimeter sealing length can handle multiple bags at once. This premium-looking couch console can store all your favorite snacks so you can relax while watching television. You can also place your drinks in the anti-spill compartment, which automatically balances your cups. It also comes with built-in storage space and a charger. These airtight stainless steel mixing bowls come with matching airtight lids, ensuring your food stays fresh for longer. The set includes various sizes for different cooking and baking needs. The non-slip bottoms provide stability while mixing, and you can also use the included tools such as a spatula, brush, and measuring cups for your next meal. This air fryer is great for your health since it does not use oil to fry your favorite snacks. You can use its 4 cooking modes, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate to prepare delicious meals. Plus, it is big enough to cook for the whole family at once. Meet the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. With its powerful motor and sturdy design, it effortlessly mixes, kneads, and whips ingredients for all your baking needs. The large mixing bowl allows you to prepare dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. Now that is impressive. Ever in need of coffee on the go? These self-stirring mugs can hold up to 400 milliliters of liquid and come with a universal serial bus charging cable. Just add coffee and water, press the switch, and enjoy automatically stirred coffee anytime. The mug is easy to clean with its removable bottom, but avoid dishwashers to maintain its longevity. Wondering if you will ever finally arrange your silverware? Check out this silverware drawer organizer from LifeWit. It has 8 different compartments to help you arrange utensils neatly. Plus, you can expand the side pockets in case you have larger kitchen tools. This portable drying rack can be placed over the sink without worrying about making a mess. When your dishes are dry, just store them as usual and roll up the rack to save space. Meet your new meal preparation helper, the Freezer Food Block Maker. This handy tool holds quart-sized bags, making it easy to fill with leftovers or soup without any mess. It creates compact, thin blocks of frozen food, saving space in your freezer and ensuring quicker defrosting. Store your pickles in this jar and take them out without getting your fingers wet. Just place your pickles in the jar along with the brine, and whenever you need them, flip the container. The brine will automatically move to the bottom so you can grab your pickles easily. This electric can opener automatically rotates around the lid and opens cans without leaving any sharp edges. It runs on 4 AA batteries, which you can replace when they run out. It is extra handy for people who struggle with gripping things. This foldable weighing scale fits in even the tiniest spaces. When opened, it expands and rests on 3 legs. You can place items on top to weigh them, and the built-in screen lets you adjust for 0 error and change measurement units as needed. Ever been outside making a steak and wondering how to grind your spices? This electric handheld spice grinder is here to help. It looks like a torch but functions as a small grinder. Just place your spices in the top container, press the button, and within seconds, your spices are ground into a fine powder. Easily mount this jar opener under your cabinet using the included sticky pad and screws. Its razor-sharp, high-carbon steel teeth firmly grip lids, making it effortless to open even the tightest jars. The V-shaped design ensures a secure fit for various jar sizes. If you want sliced chicken but do not have the time, check out this nifty chicken shredder. Simply place the cooked chicken inside and rotate the lid multiple times. The result? Perfectly shredded chicken for your favorite dishes. It also features rubber pads for a secure grip and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. These tongs easily connect to various eating utensils, transforming them into tongs for cooking, serving, and more. Their tapered grooves securely hold utensils in place, making them versatile for any kitchen task. To avoid cross-contamination, use a fresh pair each time. Cleanup is a breeze. Just detach and wash them. They are perfect for both indoor and outdoor cooking. Watch how this crinkle cutter slices through your favorite vegetables and fruits in a stylish wavy pattern. You can use this gadget to make crinkle cut fries or add a decorative touch to your salads. The stainless steel wave knife is sharp, durable, and easy to clean. Easily cut any vegetable however you like with this multi-chopper set from Mueller. It includes 5 different blades for slicing, julienne cutting, grating, and shredding. Just place the vegetable on top, select the appropriate blade, and press down. The chopped pieces will neatly fall into the container. Peeling potatoes is one of the most tedious kitchen tasks, but this automatic potato peeler makes it effortless. Just place the potato between the top and bottom grips, and as the machine rotates, the cutting arm peels it cleanly. Once finished, the machine turns off automatically. Made of carbon steel with a non-stick coating, these baking pans come in 3 different sizes, perfect for cakes, roasts, and more. The non-stick surface makes them easy to clean. Adjust the coarseness of your salt and pepper with this electric grinder set. The transparent design lets you see when it is time for a refill, and the sleek look complements any dining table. The ceramic blades are also great for grinding other spices. This sleek-looking device is actually a smart kitchen thermometer. It connects to an application allowing you to monitor your dish's temperature remotely. With 2 sensors, it measures both the meat's temperature and the surrounding heat, helping you cook your steak to perfection. These silicone oven mitts are highly heat-resistant, insulating against temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. They come in a variety of cute colors, making them both practical and stylish. From grating cheese in different sizes to slicing it, this rotary cheese grater is amazing. It comes with 3 interchangeable blades, which you can also use for slicing vegetables. Meet the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. It cooks up adorable 4-inch mini waffles in no time. Just plug it in, pour in your batter, and wait for the indicator light to signal it is ready. The non-stick surface makes cleanup easy, and its compact size fits any kitchen counter. This glass rinser requires some plumbing installation, but once set up, it saves you time. Just place your glass on the mesh and press it down. Low-pressure water and soap will clean even the toughest stains. If you love eating fries but hate cutting potatoes, check out this fry cutter. Its sturdy stainless steel body and blade use a lever mechanism. Just place the potato inside and press the lever down to push it through the blades effortlessly. This potato masher works like a garlic press. Just load up your boiled potatoes and press down on the handle for smooth mashed potatoes. The rubber handles ensure a comfortable grip without slipping. The mason jar sealing kit includes seals for both wide and regular mouth jars, making it versatile for all your storage needs. Just press the button and in about 40 seconds your jar is vacuum sealed. No need for manual pumps or extra accessories. Take this portable cooking pot anywhere, even to your bedroom. This electric cooker has a 1.5-liter capacity, making it perfect for small meals. It also includes a silicone turner, spatula, and an egg rack. Store your favorite drinks stylishly and conveniently with this drink holder. It accommodates both glass bottles and soda cans. When you take out a drink, another is automatically pushed to the front for easy access. Turn any drink into a frosty slushy with a Slushy Magic Cup. Freeze it for a few hours, pour in your favorite beverage, and squeeze. It instantly turns into a chilled treat. Carry your coffee anywhere with this insulated cup. A simple twist seals the lid to prevent leaks. It keeps drinks warm or cold for up to 6 hours. Make sushi effortlessly with this sushi maker. Just open the barrel, fill it with rice, vegetables, and fish, then close the mold and squeeze. Perfect sushi rolls in seconds. Mix your drinks easily with this magnetic stirrer. Just place your beverage in a cup or bowl, set it on the stirrer, and turn it on. Note, it doesn't work well with hot liquids. The Mug ice cream maker lets you whip up single servings of ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or frozen yogurt in just 20 minutes. All accessories stored neatly inside the mug. Next up, we have this egg cooker that lets you easily prepare up to 6 eggs in different styles, whether you like them soft, medium, or hard-boiled. It's a great solution for busy families or anyone who enjoys a quick and tasty breakfast. With just a simple push of a button, you can make hard-boiled eggs, poached eggs, or even scrambled eggs in minutes. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for small kitchens or for when you're on the go. Plus, cleanup is a breeze since the non-electric parts are dishwasher safe. Next, this large salad spinner is designed for maximum convenience and ease. The one-handed pump allows you to dry your greens with minimal effort, while the patented brake stops the basket instantly. It features a non-skid for stability and a removable basket that doubles as a cander. The durable clear bowl also functions as a serving or storage dish, a versatile addition to your kitchen. Check out this 2-in-1 mini bag sealer and cutter, which offers an easy, efficient way to keep your snacks fresh. It seals chip bags, cookie packs, and more, preventing spills and reducing waste with no preheating needed. It heats up quickly for a perfect seal. Compact and portable, it includes a lanyard for hanging and a magnetic strip for fridge storage stage. It's the perfect kitchen gadget for preserving food on the go. For pizza lovers, this pizza oven cooks 12-inch pizzas in minutes, reaching temperatures up to 800 degrees. The countertop design fits well in small kitchens while allowing you to create homemade pizzas quickly. With 5 touchscreen presets, you can choose options like Neapolitan or frozen pizza. A pizza stone and peel are included to help with preparation. This pizza cutter provides a hassle-free cutting experience with stable vertical pressure and a large wheel for perfect slices. It's designed to give you clean, effortless cuts with minimal effort. The compact design fits comfortably in your hand and can be easily stored in your cutlery drawer. A protective blade guard ensures safe storage, and when it's time to clean the cutter, disassembles in 3 simple steps for easy dishwasher-safe cleaning. Simplify your timing tasks with this easy-to-use digital timer featuring a rotary dial for quick adjustments and a one-touch button for start-stop functionality, suitable for various activities from cooking to classroom management. It boasts bright LED digits and 3 alarm levels for effective reminders designed for energy efficiency. This timer comes with a 1-year guarantee for peace of mind. This robot vacuum cleans your home efficiently. You can control it using voice commands or a smartphone app. The Matrix Clean navigation system ensures it covers all areas by cleaning in a grid pattern. Plus, it empties itself for up to 60 days, so you don't have to worry about disposing of dirt. The self-cleaning brush roll easily picks up dirt and pet hair on different surfaces. Next is the Wii Electric Garlic Chopper. Say goodbye to TIs and hello to perfectly chopped garlic, ginger, and more with just a touch of a button. Equipped with a 60 Wii motor, this mini chopper is a powerhouse in a compact size and safety with BPA-free materials and a magnetic child safety lock. This chopper is safe for the whole family, plus it's USB, rechargeable, and waterproof. Easy to clean, easy to carry. It's perfect for those who love to cook anywhere and everywhere. Next, we have the multifunctional vegetable scissors. It's a cutting board, a knife, a lid opener, and even a fish scaler all rolled into one. Talk about a space saver. These scissors are ergonomically designed with silicone grips for comfort, and the safety latch ensures they're travel-friendly, made from high-quality stainless steel. They're durable, sharp, and dishwasher safe, a fantastic gift for anyone who loves to cook. Moving on, the Any Sharp Essentials. This patented sharpener uses tungsten carbide technology to rejuvenate almost any knife. Its hands-free suction cup base makes it safe and easy to use at home with a few light strokes. Your knives will be as sharp as new. It's eco-friendly, requires no electricity, and it's super quiet. The Any Sharp Essentials is a must-have for every kitchen. Next up, a small but mighty addition to any kitchen, the Toothpick Holder Dispenser. This isn't just any toothpick holder. It's a marvel of hygiene and convenience made from quality plus ABS materials. It's safe and sturdy with a compact size and a transparent lid. You'll always know when it's time for a refill, and the best part, it dispenses one toothpick at a time, keeping things sand and stylish. Next, we have the Clean Force Garlic Press. If you love cooking with garlic but hate the mess, this is your new best friend with an easy squeeze design and a trigger-operated wiper blade. This garlic press ensures you get every bit of flavor without the fuss. And when it's time to clean, the handy tool stored in the handle makes it a breeze. Whisking your way to the perfect omelet or pancake batter has never been easier thanks to the Egg Whisk, durable, semi-automatic, and energy-saving. This whisk is a must-have for quick and efficient just press down and watch it work its magic. And cleaning, just a simple rinse away. Next up, Lid Holder Spoon Rest. This ingenious device is a clutter-free dream with its foldable and hanging design. It's a space saver that keeps your countertops clean. The multifunctional drip pad and high-quality materials make it a durable and eco-friendly choice for any kitchen. And to seal the deal on our kitchen finds, we present Mr. Pin Bag Clips. These aren't your ordinary bag clips. This set of 8 comes in assorted colors to not only keep your food fresh, but also add a pop of color to your pantry. Made of durable plastic, they're designed to last and won't break easily. Whether it's bread chips or candy, these clips fit most snack bags, and they're easy to use. Just a simple squeeze for an airtight seal that locks in moisture and keeps staleness at bay. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it, and if you are new here, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. See y'all next time.